Hello there, welcome to the Tech House channel. As OnePlus 9 series is right around the corner, it is just a week away to be launched. So today we will break down all the specifications of OnePlus 9 series. The highlight of the OnePlus 9 series will be its camera, because OnePlus has made partnership with Hasselblad, which was the reputed name in camera field. Hasselblad camera are expensive enough. OnePlus 9 series will be launched on March 23. Let's see what OnePlus will introduce new this year in terms of its camera, which is the biggest highlight of OnePlus series this year. OnePlus has shared a lot of photos on its official Twitter account, claiming that it was shot from OnePlus 9 series. Let's have a look on some of them. OnePlus 9 series will be obviously powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888. These are the highlights of OnePlus 9 series. If you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to us and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.